Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card and memory card into your phone. So to do that it is very easy. Just look into your box and here we have the pin. And now with this pin, look to the top of your phone and put this pin here and push it. This is the slot for the SIM and the memory card. And you can put it two SIMs if you want. Like this. Or you can let one SIM and put a memory card. And now let's put back the slot. Be a little careful and push it. And that's all.